everyone! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and make motherhood vlogs and contents. For today's video, I'm gonna make another tutorial about a face mask. This time, it's a 3-layer woven cotton, with the first layer being the outer piece, the second layer being the lining piece, and the third layer being a pocket piece. So may pocket na siya. You can put chocolates or candies. Hindi, joke lang. You can put replaceable filters. For me, I put facial tissue inside. Yeah, so let's get on with the video. First off, we need to have 3 fabrics, 1 for each layer. Clip the seam to release the tension of the fabric so it would stretch nicely. Do this on all 3 pairs of fabric. Top stitch the outer fabric. Top stitch the pocket fabric as well. All sides, leaving an inch of space so we can turn the project right side out. Clip the corner so we'll have sharp corners when we turn it right side out. Turn the project right side out through the 1-inch space that we left earlier. seams of the project. Sew the 1-inch gap close. Fold 2/4 inch on both sides for the casing of the garter, then sew. Cut 2 pieces of 7 inches elastic or adjust depending on your own size. Pull each of the elastic through each of the casing, then tie them up securely. I didn't top stitch the upper and lower part of the mask, but you can do so if you want. And you're done! We now have a fabric mask with a pocket for filter. That is it for today's video. Hope you like it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Also, hit the bell button beside it to be notified pag may mga bago akong upload. Yun lang. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye!